Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you a quick and professional way to create an animated thank you slide in PowerPoint. Let's get straight into it. First, open a blank PowerPoint slide. Go to the Insert tab, select Text Box, and click on the slide. Type the word thank. Choose a bold, thick font, like Impact or Arial Black, and increase the text size so it stands out clearly. Next, duplicate that text box by pressing Ctrl-D, change the text to you, and position it right below or next to your first word. Now go back to Insert, click on Shapes, and select the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle that covers the entire slide completely. Select the rectangle. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Then right-click the rectangle and select Send to Back, so your text becomes visible again. Here is the crucial step. Click on the rectangle to select it first. Then hold down the Shift key and click on both of your text boxes. Go to the Shape Format tab at the top, click on Merge Shapes, and select Subtract. You have just created a transparent cutout of your text within the solid rectangle. Next, let's style this top layer. Right-click the rectangle, select Format Shape, and choose Gradient Fill. A sleek dark gradient works perfectly to make the upcoming animation pop. Finally, it is time to add the animation. Download a seamless, colorful, animated GIF from your web browser. Back in PowerPoint, go to Insert, select Pictures, and choose the GIF you downloaded. Resize the GIF so it covers the entire slide. Right-click the GIF and choose Send to Back. Now, play your slideshow. You will see your vibrant animated background playing seamlessly through the text cutout. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, easy-to-follow guides. See you in the next one.